you know, it's whatever. So let's go ahead and move on to the ball valves. 1/2 inch or 3/4 are the most common that you're going to hear. Anything smaller, you're just restricting flow, and the most common is pretty much going to be 3/4 just because of the bigger diameter, but it really doesn't, you know, it doesn't matter. So here is a Schedule 80, which means it's chemical resistant. I'll get into that in a second, but this is a Schedule 80 quick connect ball valve. And I want to give a quick shout out. I want to give a quick shout out to this guy on my Instagram who actually turned me on to this. Okay, you guys see that? Go give him a follow, okay? He's super cool. So what he did was he showed me, I'm gonna play you guys the video. Here it is. Let's see, there he is. Look at this, he's got the ball valve just like I showed you. And he's got the quick connect. And then there's the extension wand. So then there's the trigger gun, see? So he's running quick connects on his. And he sent me these clips so I can show them to you guys. Because he wants
Easy way to switch everything. I see a lot of people unscrew these. I'm not really sure why.
Right.
You can just get Hansen fitting.
Hansen fitting.
Quality stainless steel.
Yep.
That's what I use on everything that I have.
There
All
it is.
Hansen. Poly here, poly everywhere you can, and high quality stainless steel everywhere else.
So there you have it, guys. And then here's a picture that he sent of his little setup there, the different tips and guns that he has and stuff. He's got a really legit setup, guys. Go give him a follow, man. He's super cool. He reached out, helped me out, and that's one of the main reasons. I've always known about the ball valves, but I specifically got this set up so I can run this on my hose just like he does.